Am I understood? Everyone? Okay, good. Now, can anybody give me an example of decolonizing education? Anybody? An example of decolonizing education? Anybody? Yes, Irish, you're raising your hand.
Good morning, ma'am. Ano, ma'am, sa paghimo og research or thesis, ma'am? Like, di ba sa review unrelated literature kay magkuan ka na og foreign studies, local studies, ma'am?
Okay, thank you so much, Irish. No, sa inyong references, you are not only including the foreign but also giving kanang attention sa ato ang local nga mga authors. Okay, good. Now, are there any questions or clarifications regarding this part? Are there any questions or clarifications regarding the decolonizing education class?
None so far na, ma'am.
Okay, if none, then let's proceed to the next part. Anyone who would like to read the definition? Anyone who would like to read the definition? Yes, Prince, you're raising your hand.
MTB-MLE, or the Mother Tongue-Based Multilingual Education, is an educational approach where students are first taught using their mother tongue or first language, especially in the early grades, before gradually introducing other languages like Filipino and English.
Okay, Prince, from that definition, what have you understood?
I've understood, ma'am, that the students are first taught using their first language, so may it be nga kaning, excuse me, saba kayo. May it be like Bisaya, Ilocano, Ilonggo, such as that. Then gradually i-introduce sa ila ang Filipino, which is ang Tagalog, and or like or kaning English and other languages.
Very, very good, Prince, no? MTBMLE means teaching students using their mother tongue or first language so they can understand the lessons better. Other languages like English na dayon is introduced later once they already understand the basic concept or once they already mastered the basic concept. Are you familiar with the art of kanang slowing down? Are you familiar with that? Or with the art of slowing